Hey, before you go, I wanted to create this short video to explain my Keto Kit, okay? This kit can actually help lower the transition phase or the keto adaptation phase. Sometimes people experience like keto fatigue or keto rash or keto flu. This kit is designed to make it smooth so you don't experience any of that. It's also there to speed up the results as well. And it's composed of several things. First thing is my electrolyte powder. So this is a very unique powder in that it contains 1,000 milligrams of potassium per serving size. Most electrolytes contain like 40 grams. This has 1,000. It has all the electrolytes as well, magnesium. Also, it has trace minerals without any maltodextrin or sugar. So it can help you speed up the results, minimize the transition phase, and also just give you energy in general. So 1 to 2 scoops a day is all you need. And it actually tastes good too. It's like lemon and raspberry. All right, next thing is nutritional yeast. Now, there's a big confusion about yeast. People associate yeast with baker's yeast or brewer's yeast. This is very different. This is nutritional yeast, okay? So this has nutrients in it. It has the B vitamins. It has amino acids. It has even trace minerals. But primarily, I recommend this for the B vitamins. Now, one of the problems with most nutritional yeast is it's enriched with synthetic vitamins. This version is unenriched, okay? So when you do the transition into fat burning, your body requires more B vitamins. You can also take this for other reasons, like to lower stress. Within minutes, you'll feel like really relaxed. And this is in a tablet form, so you can either swallow them or chew them. All right, next product is what's called the raw wheatgrass juice powder. Now, this is my most concentrated nutrient product that I have. It's 100% organic, and nothing is heated over 106 degrees, which means that it's raw. And it's not wheatgrass powder, it's wheatgrass juice powder, so it's super concentrated. This is grown on an ancient seabed, which means that the soil has a lot of trace minerals that the plant can pull into it. So when you consume this, you're going to get a lot more nutrition than you would if you were to buy wheatgrass that's grown on like a sponge that you would buy at the health food store. So you can kind of look at this as a multi-everything plus a lot of phytonutrients as well. So you just add water, mix it down, and you can even actually add this in it. But this as a standalone is slightly sweetened with stevia and lemon flavor. This is actually lemon raspberry flavor. And then you get this book as well. It's called the New Body Type Guide, okay? This will give you all the details on healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting. What's unique about this is all the pictures. I have over 150 images and pictures to make it easy to digest. So you have all the details. It goes into the body types, how to tweak the plan based on your body type. After you start the program for 2 weeks, all your questions will be answered. But I also wanted to give you this booklet as well, called It's Not Lose Weight to Get Healthy, It's Get Healthy to Lose Weight. And the purpose of this is to have you jump right into the keto plan within an hour, because I've summarized everything and I've given you the exact eating plan, and there's a Q&A in here. So this is kind of a very summarized version of this book. So you start with this and then you go right to this. All right, guys, so that's what summarizes the kit. The normal cost is $187. Your cost is $29. I think this kit can really help you reduce the side effects from the keto program as well as speed up your progress.